My name is Kleven. I'm the founder in Elotec. I was reading a newspaper and a small note, it was mentioned Jakob Hatteland, and I saw this system and I thought this might be something. I believed in it, and my main business in that time was to convince my colleagues. So I said that if it's not working within 1.5 to 2 years, I will take the dumper, get everything out in 5 minutes, if you agree. But after 1.5 to 2 years, I opened the gate and jumped out and said, "Do you want me to take it?" And then they stopped me. And I was so happy for that, because at that time they have taken this AutoStore product into their hearts and they really loved it.